Okay, I have it all pre-filled now. You can see this is actually ready to top, but this I have to tape. So, and it's all pre-filled, ready for tape. I'm putting the corner bead on right now. So I'm getting all the corner bead on. I have to do that. But I wanted to talk to you about the hopper. I wanted to talk to you about the hopper here a little bit. So you see that right there? If you put that up just a hair, you're going to have mud all over the place. So when you set those rubber grommets that are there, you got to make sure that they're tight. You know, they're not super tight, but they're snug right in there. It's touching the entire bottom. They have grooves in it already, so it's gonna push right through with no problem. Just make sure you don't think you have to leave a gap. If you try to leave a gap, you're gonna have way too much mud. Way too much mud on your corner bead. It's gonna be a mess, an absolute mess. Just keep that little rubber grommet nice and tight to the bottom. And in the little grooves, as you push the corner bead through, the rubber will push out of the way. The corner bead will slide through. It's going to be a little tight. That's okay. It needs to be a little tight. But it's not going to leave a glob of mud on there that's going to come off on the wall. So just keep it tight. Have a good day. Hey, if you really like the videos, subscribe. And if you really, really like the videos, please just share them with somebody else. All right, you guys have a great day.